Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom beach house for sale. It is located in the private gated community of South Sea Park, Whitehouse, Westmoreland. The house sits on 1/3 of an acre directly on the beach with the hills as the backdrop. The floor space is approximately 4,200 square feet. The property has a large outdoor pool and waterfall bar area, perfect for entertaining or a lazy afternoon staring at the sunset. Other features include a back patio, automatic garage, a water heater, dining area for family dinners, spacious living room, huge kitchen for a chef with eating area. There is a gym and a games room, plus spacious bedrooms with AC unit. This home can be bought for your personal needs, or you can use it as an investment property for Airbnb purposes. This house was also recently reduced by a substantial amount, making it more affordable for potential home buyers and investors. South Sea Park is a gated community with a wonderful surrounding and the perfect place to call home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $1,450,000 or Jamaican $223.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.